Hi, I'm Ramendra. I'm representing joint work between Microsoft Azure Edge and Platform Enterprise and Security team and Microsoft CXP team. In this presentation, I will introduce and discuss improving robustness of machine learning AI systems through trust scoring framework. Effectively evaluating AI/ML model robustness and defenses against adversarial examples has proven to be extremely difficult. In this presentation, we discuss the methodological foundation, review commonly accepted best practices, and suggest new methods for evaluating attacks, iterative robustness scoring, and defenses cycle. We orchestrated ML pipeline to iteratively attack, score, and try different defenses for a given dataset and ML model. The overall goal is to improve the robustness of the AI models and apply effective defense against different attacks while at least maintaining the model accuracy and improving the robustness score. In this slide, we'll talk about the data that we used for our experimentation. Among others, our focus was to apply iterative process of attack, robustness scoring, and defense techniques to two types of datasets. The first category is primarily of commercial, industrial nature, and subsequent was academic. We picked large-scale retail-to-product dataset that has 500,000 images of retail products on shelves belonging to 2,000 different products. We also picked distracted driver dataset from Kaggle, sponsored by State Farm Insurance Company, to further advance automatic detection of drivers engaging in distracted behavior. Lastly, in the commercial dataset type, we picked deep pool dataset from Kaggle that advances legitimacy of digital content online. We also ran our experiments on academic datasets like CFAR10, Fashion MNIST, and Virus MNIST to explore the correlation between model accuracy and robustness accuracy. In this section, we talk about three types of robustness scoring method: attack defense methods and strategies to increase robustness. In the iterative process of robustness scoring, we employed simple robustness accuracy, that is percentage of samples robust to a specific adversarial attack. We also employed a well-researched clever score that corresponds to minimum level of perturbation to a data sample required in order to deceive a classifier. We also explored d1/2 scoring method, which is distortion of the data to bring down the model accuracy by half. The attack methods involve both white and black box attacks available in IBM ART package, such as hop, skip, jump, square, boundary, etc. The defenses were primarily categorized into pre-processing, post-processing, and adversarial training. In the next slide, we'll talk about our strategy to increase the robustness of the model by combining all these different types of defenses. Our strategy is to actively apply pre-processing defenses as first line of defense, and if the model internals such as base model, number of layers, and hyperparameters are available, then we train the model with adversarial training followed by post-processing defenses. In this slide, we'll talk about the results. We created a well-configurable pipeline to run experiments on different data sets and models. This allowed us to calibrate the effectiveness of different attacks and defenses on given dataset and model. Furthermore, this also allowed us to surface certain correlations between robustness and model accuracy. From our experiments, we found out that it is possible to increase the robustness accuracy without decreasing the model accuracy after applying optimal defense. In the experiment shown here with various datasets, including both commercial and academic, the robustness accuracy always increased post-optimal defense. We also observed that same set of defenses cannot be generically applied to different dataset and model. This intuitively aligns with the fact that characteristics of different datasets and models are of diverse nature and will have to subject each of the models and dataset to run through various attacks and defense techniques iteratively to find the optimal defense that does not compromise the model accuracy and always increases the robustness accuracy post-defense. The overall focus of this effort is to integrate the iterative development of defenses for ML models in addition to the quantification of robustness of ML models. That's all I have. Thank you.